Okay, what's going on, boys? Today is something that I should have done a long time ago. We are fitting a short shifter. So 80 Motorsport just brought out their own one. So it's lightweight. It's got their new little Vudu logo. It's Vudu on the top, stuff like that. So it has like a ball point on top, so you can have it as a 25% short shifter or 15%. But if you're doing 15%, you're doing it wrong, because you just got to send it and go for the shorter one. Because if you're buying a short shifter, why would you put it as a less? You're buying it to be a short shift. Don't be a wimp, go 25%. So yeah, we're going to fit this. So first of all, we're just going to start taking the headlight out, which is a torque split, or you can use a flathead, and then just take out the induction kit. I'll show you that as it goes. We just want as much maneuverability around the engine bay as we can to actually fit this. It seems pretty easy for what I can work out and what I've seen, but it shouldn't take me too long, but it is me, so we have no idea what it's going to take. So we're just going to go full send on it and see what happens. So yeah, let's start stripping this thing. Okay, so I believe this is a T30 bit. I have no idea. It could be, no, I'm pretty sure it's a 30. I'm just going to undo the headlight. You can use a flathead, but it's easier to use the actual correct bit. So take this out, and then you've got two, but oh yeah, I do have two on this one, that's alright. Look at that. Bang, in the pot. Don't lose them, because otherwise you're pretty much screwed. Ugh, I'm so muscly. I'm just going to use the all-out power of my arms, because I'm like Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Gosh, or Vin Diesel.
Show him a little bit, go on.
I can't, because it'll break the lens. Don't lose that. Okay, look, it's coming out. Sort of. Bam. You have a clip under here. Oh wait, you want to unplug the headlight, so it's a little tab bit here. Push it, pull it, you'll see what I mean. Like, it's on this. It's the only cable going to headlight. And then there's a clip underneath, which I don't think I even have anymore. You just pull it out, bang. And there's your HID kit, just dangling away. Make sure you remember where you left your headlight, because you'll need to put that back in after this install's done. So then, bang, you've got your ITG filter, or you may have like the stock one. All you basically need is get this hose out, and all you need is a flathead, or you can be fancy like me and just use the 8mm socket, because, oh, I don't even have the adapter. I can't even use the 8mm. I don't think I've got the adapter. Alright, we'll ratchet it. Want to make this a bit technical? We'll make this a bit technical.
Oh no.
Luckily for me, I can see where that's dropped, because I have nothing there to stop it. So we're going to leave that for now, and we're just going to use the flathead the original way, I think. Ah. Pretty loosey goosey. Alright, so while I've got this bit off here, I'm just going to disconnect the mass sensor. Pull this filter out. This needs a clean. That is not good. And then you just want to pull each side of these red tabs, and it should, if you get both bits, just come up if it wants to work. You unplug that there. Do not lose the clip. Then we still need to try and get this top bit off, because it does not want to play ball with me right now.
Go on, son.
I have the power.
Oh, it's almost.
Don't lose that clip.
Yeah.
Loosen it. Oh yes.
Done it.
Easy peasy. I just made that one look hard for the viewers. Rest in peace, my wrists. Okay. Now that was off, so that was very easy. We need to get if I can find it. That right there. You see that on the camera? It's a little bit here. This is what we need to pry off with, like just a flathead, and then lift it from behind. I'm gonna see if we can light it up or get a good angle on it on the camera, but it might be hard. Okay, as you see this bit here, it's like the gear lever cable, so you need to pull this off, and then underneath is actually where you're gonna fit the short shifter. So we need to pry this off with like a flathead. I think you put a flathead one side and then pull it on the other. I'm just gonna play around and see what I can do with that. Alright, so now I'm just gonna get a flathead and hopefully put it underneath, lever it up and pull the other side. I hope this works. I don't know how else to get this off. I can feel it coming. I could do with a bigger flathead, but I don't really have anything else. I don't want to fuck it up either. Right. Use my strength. I think it's coming. Right, let me try and move the gear towards me. That's better, it's a lot closer now. Ah, I am strong. Yeah, so now we've actually got, I think it's called like the gear lever is off, and now if you put the camera down here, you can see that little ball bit there. That is what will fit into the short shifter. I'll just unbox it and show you, but yeah, that little ball there. Right. Now, I'm gonna show you sort of how it works and get the right Allen keys and that to set up and fit it in. So yeah, should be good. Right, and you want to get your size 4 Allen key, and you pretty much just want to undo all these because you want to disconnect this from this. I haven't really showed you shit, so yeah, that's the like Vudu logo there. It's got a clean, like, nice, sleek looking design, I guess you could say. But yeah, just gonna undo them all, and then we're gonna hopefully fit it. We hope. Okay, so now I've undone all these, you can just lift up, and that will hold there. So make sure you keep them in there. So I'll put that, say, put it on top there for now. And then with this bit here, it's just a bottom plate. Now, to get down in there, not sure how well you can see, there's like a plug here and also a plug here. And I find when I'm trying to place it, these are getting in the way. So I'm just going to pull on a little plastic, press the tab down, and then pull it. So disconnect that. Just make sure you remember to plug these back in. And then unplug. Yeah, that one's just a pull up and that one's a push down clip. Very simple enough. It's just to give you more manoeuvrability because it's quite a tight space. So where that ball point there is will go inside here. Will go inside that hole there. So we're just gonna place this in underneath like so. So you got the 3 this side and the 1 in the corner over there. Right. Now I've just gone and hit all these bolts out of here, which I said exactly not to do. So just hold it like that, don't try to lose any of these. So this face here should be pointing towards you guys. Just gently lay it down. And where that ball is will go on the inside of the Vudu part. Just move the lever out of the way. And because obviously this is your gears, you can sort of move it round, like push it and pull it a bit. We'll go into like 3rd and 4th, so and so. So you just want to get in and just, I'm just hand tight these little bolts a bit so it's catching on and not going to fall off. Well, obviously got to make sure it is going in the right hole, blah blah blah. Ooh. Just grab my Allen key, just slightly tighten it just so it grabs one at least. Okay, so we've now tightened them all up. It is better if you use Loctite, but I don't have any, so I can't. But I mean, I can just go buy Loctite soon and then just redo it. But just for now, just an advisory, you should use Loctite really. But as you see, it's fitted on here. I'm just going to plug these little electrical clips back together. As you remember, I unplugged them just to make it a bit easier. So I'll just put that on there if it wants to go on. See, look, I make it look easy, but it's not easy at all. Bam.
Technical mastermind.
Where's the other cable gone? Oh god, we've lost it. Oh no, I found it. Where's it plugged into though? Shit. I don't know where it's plugged into. Where did you go? Ah, right underneath the short shifter. Right, let's just push that. Get out my way, you bitch. And just make sure it doesn't hit it when I put it back. No, just clearance. And then obviously got your gear lever cable, which is here. And then we just want to put that on top of this ball pin here. So it'll be, it's literally essentially how it was before, but you've got like this, the short shifter in between it.
Yeah, that's a good view, I saw that.
So push that on and try to pull it off. No, it's not coming off. See, I'm pretty sure that's how it goes. I can't pull it off with my hands. So I'm 99% sure that's how it goes. We're just gonna literally redo the whole fitting situation. So we're gonna put the hose back on, tighten the clips up, plug this back in, wire from back. Like, there's no me showing you me putting it all back together because we just do exactly the beginning bit in reverse is what we're doing. So I'll just leave it on like a time lapse or something. We'll get this done and then we'll go for a drive to see how it actually feels through the gears, because I mean it's all good fitting it, but does it actually make a difference? Now we find out.
Make it rain meatballs.
Okay, so it's all wired in and plugged in, hopefully, like it's all good. I'm just gonna start it and make sure I've got no lights, like fucking post lights or anything. Jump in. Oh yeah. ST1 problems. And make sure, I just realised my foot's on clutch, but where I've been moving it around, I've gone in gear and that, just to use it easier, so to make sure you actually put it back into neutral. And I'm good. I just make sure I ain't got no boost leaks.
Phone disconnected.
It sounds good. I'm gonna take it for a drive, see how these gears feel, and then I'll be able to give you like an actual review of how it is and how easy it is to fit and stuff like that. So yeah, we'll take it out for a drive and got all dirty hands, but yeah, let's go for a spin. Okay, so the short shifter's now on. This is my first drive bit, so I'm just gonna push it through the gears and like see if I notice it, see if it helps performance wise. So let's just go for a pull bit. That was all the way through all the gears. It did, I'm gonna be honest, it feels a lot more like responsive, like the gearbox feels solid, more solid I'd say. Okay, well, so as you just saw, that was the fitting, the drive and everything. My complete overall review is like, obviously I'm gonna say it's a good product, but I mean, it definitely does. I haven't used any other short shifter ones. I've driven one with a mountain one and I didn't really feel like it was shorter throws sort of thing. I might be wrong, it might have just been how I was feeling that day. But you can definitely feel an improvement. It is definitely something that if you have the money and you're looking to improve the drivability of the car, it's something you should get. It's more of a driver mod than a power mod, if that makes sense. But yeah, definitely worth looking into. I believe at the moment they are at £65. They're probably going up very soon because they've just come out, so they put them on sale so everyone can sort of see how they are and grab them first. So first come first serve sort of thing, and then they'll obviously go up. So don't quote me on how much they're going to be, but at the moment it's 65 if you go right now. So I'll leave a link down below to check them out. And remember, if you want discount on it, use code B70NY, save yourself 10%. Obviously you wouldn't want a discount. But yeah, definitely a great product, well made, looks the nuts. And yeah, it wasn't even that hard to fit. You summoned it. All you need is a flathead, all you need is a flathead screwdriver to pick it up and an Allen key pretty much. And then obviously your usual stuff just to take the induction kit out. So if you're interested, like I said, link down below, code B70TMY for sending you save 10%. Thank you all for watching. Smash a like down below, comment what you thought, and send 80 a message saying to give me a discount on the roll cage, because that'll be nice of you. So yeah, and make sure you smash the subscribe button. I'll see you boys next one. Peace.